Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change theme at Photopea. First things first, let's go to photopea.com and start changing the themes. As you can see, my theme is not the default one, that I changed it to be more how I like it. And how we actually do that or manage to do that. We have to go to the top side of our screen and click on more. It's just to the left of account. So we want to go to theme and we can change it anyhow we like it. Like for example, purple, all black, but that's too dark for me, or light. And some of you may like this one, but I don't. I want to stick to dark gray, which is default, or blue, which is also very nice. And that's how you change your theme. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.